Dancing on the beat. 1,000 miles past, still it ain't very far. I could turn around, be able to return to it all. They say I'm running away, but I'm just moving along. How is it you know me, but do not know where I'm coming from? Broken heart is how I know that I must stay strong. Playing my part, taking care of my siblings all through the dark. Maybe one day they will see the light that I have installed. Flip the switch, reignite what we all once called love. Pac said to paint the perfect picture. I have always listened, trying to wrap my mind around the riddles written in this sentence. So much tragedy surrounds within my family. Not even half of them agree to help each other to conquer this sanity. Why must this be? I am wanting to fix everything, but unable to preach. Love is between all of us, we've gotten how to reach. So please, if you are listening, then sing along and just vibe with me. 1,000 miles past, still it ain't very far. I could turn around, be able to return to it all. They say I'm running away, but I'm just moving along. How is it you know me, but do not know where I'm coming from? 1,000 miles past, still it ain't very far. I could turn around, be able to return to it all. They say I'm running away, but I'm just moving along. How is it you know me, but do not know where I'm coming from? 9,800 days past, yet I'm still reminiscing on the road, driving to rid myself of the false accusations they put inside my head. Switched up my words, my heart has stopped beating, no longer know what truly hurts. It could be my birth, I should have died down those steps. Stop the resuscitations, let me for dead. I won't regret, I didn't know family, didn't know what was dead. I was an infant strolling top of the country steps, but I survived. Reasons are still unsaid. I have asked about the story and it is still a mess. Do I regret that now? No, I laid it to rest. I must confess, I am alive because of who I have left. Some of us don't talk no more like we did in the past. It's alright, I forgive, right or wrong, you done me then. The future is unknown, so let's appreciate the present. I'm here with you, let's get together, make this happen. Because 1,000 miles past, still it ain't very far. I could turn around, be able to return to it all. They say I'm running away, but I'm just moving along. How is it you know me, but do not know where I'm coming from? 1,000 miles past, still it ain't very far. I could turn around, be able to return to it all. They say I'm running away, but I'm just moving along. How is it you know me, but do not know where I'm coming from? Stop the madness, I am exhausted from all of this mayhem. My family tree is dying, couple leaves left stranded, lost their ways trying to reach what they call heaven. Forgotten how to love each other when we had a chance. Now what is left? Sadness and sorrow, tears we no longer share. Can't even speak the word, can't even comprehend. Forgive one another, something we believe we just can't. Think of the children, think of love, joy, the Simpsons. Take a step and walk with me 1,000 miles to the end of the world for my family. 9,800 days wouldn't mean a damn thing. That is how much you all mean to me. Heaven or hell, I would ride and die, can y'all agree? Some are luckier than most, some just aren't meant to be. We all belong somewhere, patience you will soon see. Even if you say you don't care, that you don't want a piece is what we are to someone else, it could mean everything. 1,000 miles past, still it ain't very far. I could turn around, be able to return to it all. They say I'm running away, but I'm just moving along. How is it you know me, but do not know where I'm coming from? 1,000 miles past, still it ain't very far. I could turn around, be able to return to it all. They say I'm running away, but I'm just moving along. How is it you know me, but do not know where I'm coming from? 1,000 miles past, still it ain't very far. I could turn around, be able to return to it all. They say I'm running away, but I'm just moving along. How is it you know me, but do not know where I'm coming from? 1,000 miles past, still it ain't very far. I could turn around, be able to return to it all. They say I'm running away, but I'm just moving along. How is it you know me, but do not know where I'm coming from?